Okay, hi guys. Let me solve this. So a laser beam is pointed at the point 3, 5, and it travels in a straight line. It wants to bounce off the y-axis, then the x-axis, and hit the point 7, 5. What is the total distance the beam will travel along this path? Okay, so first let's draw this. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have that, and then we have 7, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we want it to bounce off the y-axis. So it's going to go like that, then bounce off the x-axis to go like that. It's going to look like that. Okay, so let's think about when it bounces off an axis. What does that mean, really? It means that this angle is going to be the same as this angle, and this angle is going to be the same as this angle. Okay, so what does that mean for us? If we're going here, and then here, and then here, and then here. That looks about right. So, I'm really like destroying what I just drew. That's nice. It looks like it's gonna hit here at, if this is 5, so this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 0, 3. It's gonna hit here at 3 or 2, 0. So all we need is the distance. I mean, I'm just estimating here, and that will give us like the estimated distance. So the distance between here and here, between, what is it, 3, 5, and 3, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5. Okay, the distance between 3, 5 to 0, 3 is the square root of the change in x, which is 3 squared, plus the change in y, which is 2 squared. So the square root of 9 plus 4 equals the square root of 13. Already starting off not looking good, but that's okay. Okay, and then the square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared equals the square root of 4 plus 9, which is the square root of 13. From here to here, and then going from there to there, we get square root of 5 squared plus 5 squared, right, equals 5 root 2. Adding these all together, we get 2 root 13 plus 5 root 2, which is none of these. So what did I do wrong? Well, if we're going from here to here, our total, like, angle we must go must be 0. So if we're turning this way and turning this way and turning this way and turning this way, I think all of these have to add up to 0, or 360, I believe. Right? Like if I'm going here and here, I'm going in this direction, back up to this direction. Turning, that's going to be about, I don't know how many degrees, and turning back up from here, which is going to fill in. It's going to make it 180. Maybe. I don't know. Does that mean that these need to be complementary then? Because, like, why can't I have this? And then have to go, like... And then, yeah, that doesn't make sense. Then I go, like, there. But this makes just about sense. Like that. And then I... See, this isn't exact, but it's about right. Let's find a decimal representation for this. So this is 2 times, it'd be about 3.5, right? 3.5 times 3.5 would be 0.25, 1.5, 1.5, and 9, which would give 5, 2, 1, 12, 1, 2, 5, yeah, so about 3.5. So 7 plus, this is 1.4, so 5 times 1.4 is 10 times 1.4 would be 14, so 7, so this is equal to 14. About. What's closest to 14? This would be, it's not going to be this one. This one is eligible. This one is not going to be this one. It's not going to be this one. And this would be, root 10 is like 3.1, 2 times 3.1, it's not going to be this one. It's going to be this one. That's my guess. Because that's the closest to what we approximated. I apologize for you guys had to hear that. Okay. Let's check. This is problem 11. It is 10 root 2. What did they do? Oh, they used reflections. That's smart. I didn't do that, but I think my method was really smart because I just guesstimated, and that seemed to work for me. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.